Hi guys, it's Andrew. We're back with another project. So here we completed a 3-season single pane glass enclosure. Let's go take a look. So when we first got here, the space was open to the elements. There were just posts here. So we fully enclosed everything with glass, turned it into a 3-season space that the customer can enjoy most of the time out of the year. So all around, this client wanted to have sliding doors. We put the transoms up above. So let me kind of show you some tricky parts of this project. If you look down here, there was a gap between where the brick is and the post, and there's kind of like a hole there. So we actually needed to fill it in and put like a aluminum filler to make it flush there with the ground. So we also installed some thresholds on both sides so that there's less of a trip hazard coming out of this one. So we've got sliding doors all around, so customers able to open them up. They have these screens embedded here on the outside. That way nothing gets through and they can actually open everything up and get a nice airflow as well. So sometimes we run into some tricky situations, like I mentioned that little hole on the other side. Over here, obviously we've got the fireplace that kind of juts out and creates an angle. So what we did is we put a little bit of filler here to kind of cover the gap, and then we put a fixed transom right here so that everything looks nice and clean. So over here on this side, you notice it's a little bit different than the other 3 openings, and that's because the customer has this small platform for a grill out here, and they wanted to be able to just open it up and grill while they're in the space. So we put some French doors here. And we still embedded a screen on the outside so that the customer doesn't have to have bugs coming in. But the cool thing, we're able to just open everything up. It comes right onto the grill. Your porch may be different than your next door neighbor's porch, and we work with you to make sure that we identify exactly what you're looking for and we fulfill that vision. So sometimes certain things, like for example, this French doors being able to open to get to the barbecue, we really want to be able to know exactly what you're looking for, and there's so many different designs that we could do to really fulfill your vision. So the space looks pretty nice now. Obviously we've got the furniture, we've got the TV and the fireplace. It is in the middle of summer here in Charlotte, and it actually feels pretty cool. Sometimes I'll go into some 3-season spaces and I'm sweating buckets by the time that we walk out of there. And this one, it actually feels pretty nice. The other cool thing is they had all these lights coming around, which I think is a kind of a nice touch there. So there's a couple reasons that this homeowner went with the glass sliders. One of those, obviously they have the screen doors embedded, so he's able to open everything up and not have any bugs coming in. The space is pretty low to ground level, so you can walk out of any of these openings. And then the cool thing about these glass sliders is that there's only one small separator in the middle. So really you're getting a lot of visibility, especially when you're sitting down on this furniture, to be able to see the backyard. If you'd like to enclose your porch, or you'd like some advice on what to do with your porch, give us a call, shoot us a text, and we'll be there.